Hi students, to record or to, I'm going to put together a little recording for you here, a little video on how to get into SAP, the Global Bike application. So on the workspace you should be connected to the University of Milwaukee or University of Wisconsin-Milwaukee. And then you're going to scroll right to near the bottom and select hashtag Yamaha and log in. Then the client is 501 and your username is going to be learn and a 3-digit number that I've given you. So don't put in mine. See, I'm teach001. Okay. And then click enter. So you should have that menu come up. So I want you to work on the first case study, which is navigation in the SAP systems. Step 1 again is logging on, just like I've showed you. Putting in your client, your username, your password. And then the initial screen. Okay, you should get familiar with the SAP system screens. Okay, your initial screen will show you SAP menu. You should have financial services, pull down menus, and then logistics. That's the one we'll probably spend the most amount of time in, is logistics, or accounting. Okay. Yeah, most of the time we'll be into logistics, and then materials management, or sales and distribution. Okay. The SAP Easy Access menu, and to drill down to the following tree structure. So drill down to logistics, then materials management, then material master, and then once you get to material master, click on material and display changes. So we'll go material and then display, and then you see display current and display at key date. So exercise 1 basically says, what is the difference between the transaction display current and display key date? So if you click on display current, you see there it just has a space provided to enter in a material number or material description. I just know a few off the top of my head. I just entered, like the Lux touring bike, and then you hit enter, and you can pick a bunch of information regarding the product, but we don't need to go that far right now. So display material, basically you're able to provide a picture of the material. Let's exit. If we hit display key date, display key date provides a date for you, but pretty much everything else is the same. So what I want you to do is go through the rest of the exercise, the introduction to this case study using GBI navigation course, GUI, and do all the steps and provide screen prints into a Word document and answer the questions. If there's any questions or exercises being asked to you, please provide the questions. So it's key to provide me with the screenshots, as many screenshots as possible, showing me that you've done the work. Okay? If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me.